फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं एक नया वीडियो आपके सामने लेकर के आया हूँ, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। तो इस वीडियो में मैं हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड के बारे में सब कुछ आपको बताने वाला हूँ। हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड की टाइप्स, ठीक है, और इसे क्लासिफिकेशन सब कुछ बताऊंगा। ये वीडियो 2 पार्ट में है। आज मैं इस वीडियो का फर्स्ट पार्ट बना रहा हूँ, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड का फर्स्ट पार्ट में बना रहा हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं ट्रिकी कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। तो सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड की डेफिनेशन देख लेते हैं। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन कोवेलेंटली बॉन्डेड हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल एंड एन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम। हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है बिटवीन कोवेलेंटली बॉन्डेड हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल विद एन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम। यानी कि ये एक इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है कोवेलेंटली बॉन्डेड हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल एंड बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट लाइक फ्लोरीन, ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन। ये एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिखाया है आपको हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड का। देखिए जहाँ जहाँ मैंने हाइलाइटर लगाया है ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड का एग्जाम्पल है। तो हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड में ये जहाँ जहाँ डॉट डॉट है ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इस तरीके से दिख रहा है। कंडीशन क्या होती है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होने की? किस कंडीशन पे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनता है? पहली कंडीशन, हाइड्रोजन शुड बी कोवेलेंटली बॉन्डेड विद इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट। Hydrogen must be bonded with electronegative element like fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Means if hydrogen is combined with fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, in that case, then hydrogen bond will be formed. Second condition, the atomic size of electronegative element should be small. The electronegative element like fluorine, oxygen or any of the element which form the hydrogen bond, then atomic size should be electronegative element of atomic size of electronegative element should be small. Third, the atomic size of the elements are the smallest size is the nitrogen, then oxygen, and then fluorine. Means fluorine is the smallest in size. The electronegativity order means atomic small is the smaller atomic size and high electronegativity is the basic condition for the hydrogen bonding. So electronegativity order means the highest electronegative element fluorine, then oxygen, and then last in nitrogen. So condition number C. This is the formula of the hydrogen bond. How can you identify the formation of hydrogen bond, or how can you identify the strength of hydrogen bond? Which means the nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine all form the hydrogen bond, but which hydrogen bond is stronger? This formula is helpful for you. The strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to electronegativity of element. The strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to electronegativity of the element, means the nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine. And electronegativity of element is inversely proportional to atomic size of the element, means small is the size of the element and higher is the strength of the hydrogen bonding. Smaller is the size, higher is the strength of the hydrogen bonding when electronegativity is also high. Please consider that case. So it is all about the condition, the 3 conditions of the hydrogen bond. Now move on. The condition number D, the special condition is there, very important. The hydrogen cyanide in which carbon and nitrogen is sp hybridized, and sp hybridized means 50% s character, and 50% s character behaves as an electronegative element. So it is very important point, hydrogen cyanide also having the hydrogen bond, because 50% s character of sp hybridization between carbon and nitrogen showing the hydrogen bond between the SCN molecule. Like in the shaded area you can see the hydrogen bond between nitrogen and hydrogen of the SCN molecule, just because of sp hybridization and 50% s character which behaves as highly electronegative element. Now move on to the types of hydrogen. But the first type is the intermolecular hydrogen bond. First type is intermolecular hydrogen bond. What is intermolecular hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond formation between the two or more molecule of either same or different compound is known as intramolecular hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond formation between दो या दो से अधिक, more than two or more than two molecule of either same, यानी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन दो या दो से अधिक मॉलिक्यूल में, या तो सेम मॉलिक्यूल में हो जाए या डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल में हो जाए, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन बिटवीन टू और मोर देन टू मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ आइदर सेम, या तो सेम हो, और डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स इज नोन एज इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द types and classification of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bonds are two type, A and B: homo intermolecular hydrogen bond and hetero intermolecular hydrogen bond. Homo means same and hetero means different. So now move on to the homo. Hydrogen bond between molecules of the same compound. अगर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड सेम कंपाउंड्स के मॉलिक्यूल में बनेगा तो देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज होमो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. Like example of hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen fluoride molecules are the same and they form the hydrogen bond. The shaded area showing the hydrogen bond. So if hydrogen bond form between the molecules, between the same molecule, that is homo intermolecular hydrogen bond. And hetero hydrogen bond between molecules of different compound. यानी different compounds के molecule के बीच में जब hydrogen bond बने तो that is known as heteromolecular hydrogen bond. Like example of alcohol and water. When alcohol dissolve in water, the alcohol form the hydrogen bond. If you see that oxygen R, alcohol form the hydrogen bond. This another water form the hydrogen bond. This shaded R representing the formation of hydrogen bond of alcohol with water molecule. That's why alcohol is organic compound but soluble in water just because of formation of hydrogen bonding. In the same way, ammonia form the hydrogen bond with water is the example of heteromolecular hydrogen bond. So intermoleculars are two type, homo and hetero. So these are divided into homo and hetero as we discussed earlier. Now move on to the next category of the hydrogen bond is the intramolecular hydrogen bond. First one is the basic classification inter. Inter is divided into two part, homo and hetero. And the second one is intramolecular hydrogen bond. It is also very important. It takes place within the molecule. Means hydrogen bond, when hydrogen bond form within the same molecule, that type of hydrogen bond is known as intramolecular hydrogen bond. So the first condition, it takes place within the same molecule. Second, hydrogen bonded with electronegative element of the functional group. In the same molecule, hydrogen is bonded with electronegative element of the functional group. Means any functional group is present, then hydrogen bonded with electronegativity of functional group, like the hydrogen bonded with the aldehydic group, aldehydic having the oxygen, the carboxylic group. It will discuss later in example. Or the second guy, hydrogen bonded with another electronegative element present nearest to the position of the same molecule. Means hydrogen of that same molecule is bonded very nearest to the electronegative element in the same molecule. Now move on to the example. Generally, intramolecular hydrogen bondings are generally found in organic compound and especially in aromatic compound, and results to ring formation. Mean aromatic organic compound form intermolecular hydrogen bonding and results a ring formation. Because of hydrogen bond formation, they form the ring. First example, orthonitrophenol. This one is the structure of orthonitrophenol. This is the phenol and this one is the NO2 group. If you see that the NO2 is the functional group and oxygen of the NO2 combined with hydrogen or combined to form hydrogen bond with phenolic group of the H. Means the phenolic group H combined with NO2 functional group oxygen to form the intramolecular hydrogen bond, because this hydrogen bond form in the same molecule. In the same way, means the hydrogen is combined with the electronegative element of the functional group. In the same way, orthofluorophenol means the phenolic group hydrogen combined with the nearest electronegative element of the aromatic ring is the fluorine. Means fluorine the phenolic group hydrogen combined with fluorine to form the intramolecular hydrogen bond. Example is the orthofluorophenol. So it is all about the hydrogen bond definition, types, classification, examples in the first part of the hydrogen bonding. The second part is very important for the classes of 11th, 12th, NEET and JEE Mains, because they are about the application of the hydrogen bond, means the intramolecular hydrogen bond. What formation of this type of hydrogen bonding means inter and intra affected the physical as well as the chemical properties of the bond uh, in the organic compounds. What the physical property affected to the hydrogen bond is very most important. So it will come in my next video. To see the next video, please subscribe my channel and solve the problem with the help of this video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.